What the rope of mystery can do. This might look a bit disturbing. You might think it's a hallucination because it's so crazy. Here we go. Watch the rope. The server. It's gonna do something. Look. He's got a pump. You see that? That's not the closing the lid. Okay. I don't know what to do. I've never made it this far. How old are you? You're 7. Do you want to be 8? Yeah? Okay, no, really? Okay, then stay in the box. Look, that was a joke. Get out. Get out. Crazy kid. Who are your mom and dad? They're not. Who are you with? Who's the grown-up responsible to watch over you? Oh, and you're filming the thing. So go ahead, take any card you wish from the deck. You have a free choice. Any card that you want. Anyone, Isabella. Isabella, have you ever helped out a magician? You're not helping me today. I show the card to the people. Right, everybody got the card, yeah? Yeah, hold on. Some people are saying that I'm using fake cards. Show them the back so they know it's not a trick card. Yep, there you go. On middle, I give it some cuts. Not only do I give it some cuts, I even shuffle the cards. This requires no table, just 2 years of unemployment. But check it out. This is why it's worth it. Look, it's a big lot. I know, an engineering degree won't get you that reaction. Now watch, this is a waterfall. This is a waterfall in reverse. This is a waterfall in Niagara Falls. This is a waterfall in Iceland. Okay. Now, Isabella, I'm going to find your card. All right, now you stand right here. Correct. Big hands. Now, all I need you to do is take the stick. We're going to do this long distance, all right? You're going to go abracadabra onto this card. That was good. But now to say it a little bit louder and watch it become the card. You need to give it good energy, all right? You need to be nice and loud. You can't be loud at school. You can't be loud. It's going to become Isabella's card. After this, stick around because we're going to see what's inside of the bag of mystery. This is going to change your life. You won't be you after this. I'm telling you guys, your kids, when they grow up, it was good. That was good, but hold on. Didn't work. Did we bridge the gap between the child's imagination and our reality? I got it. Death. It's fun. Give me a high five. Watch the card. There we go. All right, kill this. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most difficult sleight of hand deal in all of card magic. Very tense. Watch this. The more I fold the card, the smaller it gets, huh? That's not the trick. Hold on. Watch, I go like this is the move. Watch the card. It's folded as tiny as you can fold it. You can't fold it anymore. How do you perfectly just to know. That was pretty good. Now hold on. The card, it disappeared. But it had to go somewhere. Check this out. Check this out. You, sir, you in the back. What's your name? Yes. Jonah. Take not this done. Is the card in there? God, that would have been good. The lemon. That's of disappointment. Isn't that disappointing? But hold on, the show's not over. Yo, watch this. Inside of the lemon. Wait, I've got something you'll remember forever. I promise you, this won't disappoint you in one spot. Wait. Thanks.